Hey, this is Bucket Ponds. My name is Terry, and today we are looking at low budget Lavarock. This stuff is great for your aquariums, and I like to get mine from Home Depot. Yeah, over here in the garden section, look for their landscaping materials, and there you will find a large bag of red Lavarock. It's about $8 or $9, and it's a lot cheaper than buying it at the pet shop. We're also going to pick up some marble chips here for about $6.50, and I like to use these in our nano tanks as well. So all in all, I spent about 30 bucks on this supply run. This amount of material will last bucket ponds for about 1 year. We also picked up some potting soil from a dollar store from Roses. You may have heard of them. It's $2 for a 20-pound bag. It's an all-natural soil, and it's much like our black cow, though not quite what you expect from a dollar store. But combined with the stone and whatnot that we got from Home Depot, we'll be able to make plenty of Wallstad style projects. But first, we do need to rinse this stone. It must be rinsed off. That goes for the marble and for the lava rock. So I like to get this old grate, toss it out here near my plants, and dump about half a bag there, and just rinse it off with a water hose. Just nothing to it. And that's all they do before they bag the very expensive varieties. They just clean it up a little bit. It's very dusty, but that dust won't hurt your aquarium. It's essentially pulverized lava rock. So, yeah, it's not harmful, but it will make things cloudy. So we just like to rinse it off, shuffle it around, rinse it off again, and you're done. Before you know it, you've washed your rocks and watered your plants at the same time. It's great. I used this very same lava rock in our recent terrarium build, which I enjoyed a great deal. You see, lava rock is beneficial for aquariums in general as it will increase the surface area and allow more beneficial bacteria to replicate inside of your project. But here in our terrarium, we are making use of its very lightweight properties to build up a drainage layer in the bottom. And that's one thing I like about lava rock. It's very light. And, when you're running 20 or 30 jar aquariums, weight becomes an issue. You can have a shelf collapse. So saving a little weight is a good idea. We also used the marble chips in a few of our nano aquariums recently as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to our YouTube members and our Patreon supporters. You guys basically paid for these supplies, and I am very grateful. I can't wait to build some tanks and entertain you with what we bought. So I hope you're having a great day. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out the links in the description or just watch some Bucket Ponds videos. That's all I ask. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.